Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to mask images in Figma. It's pretty easy and it won't take much of your time, so let's get straight into it. So I already have this design here. I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this and also how to achieve this. So the first thing we want to do is to bring out the shape, something like this. And to do that, we're going to be running Bloops plugin. Search for Bloops. So this is it over here. Run the plugin and wait for it to pop up. So you can tweak this as many times as you want till you get till you find the shape that suits what you want to do. So to get the shape you're looking for, you have to click on this icon over here. You can keep clicking on it till you find the one you're looking for. So I think this is okay. We can work with this. So let's insert it. Click on the blue button. So now that we have it, let's take this out. Now that we have our shape ready, drag this image and make sure you've removed your image background before you mask it. Okay, so if you're looking to get something like this, you have to remove your image background first before you proceed. So drag your image inside, bring it on top of your frame, of the shape rather, bring it up like this, then duplicate both the image and the let's make the shape smaller. Something like this. Let's still make the shape. Let's make it smaller. Because we want our head to pop out from the frame, from the shape. So make the shape as small as possible so our head can pop out. So this is it. So now duplicate both the shape and the image and set them aside. So what you want to do next is to select the frame and the vector, which is the shape, and this is the vector over here. Select the both of them and come to the top over here and click on mask. So after doing that, bring your shape, this shape over here that we set aside the other time, bring it to the back of your image and give it a color. Change the fill to something else. Let's use this color. This is okay. So the next thing you want to do is to drag the image you set aside, drag it on top of the shape. Make sure it fits the frame underneath. Make sure it fits the image underneath. Okay, I think this is perfect. So the next thing you want to do is to hold down control key, hold it down and drag the image like this. So this is what it will look like at the end of the day. So now that we're done with this, select both the image and the masked image and the frame on top, the masked image and the image on top of it. Select the both of them and the vector itself, which is the shape, then frame them for easy movement. So this is it over here. So you can then proceed to, let's drag out this arrow section over here. Take this out. Let's take this and this. Let's take this one. Let's take them out. Then take out this other one. Then take out this other one and move this inside the frame. So press K on your keyboard and scale it up like this. So this is what our masked image looks like. If it doesn't look like this, then it means you've done something wrong. Cross check it again and correct it. Whatever mistake that is you've made, make corrections to it, then proceed. Okay, so this is how to achieve something like this here in Figma. So let's proceed to the other one. So this one we're going to be using a different shape entirely. So move to the toolbar, click on the shape tool, drop down arrow, and select polygon. Then drag it out. Hold down your shift key and drag it out. The reason why we're holding down the shift key is so we can get the perfect shape size. Okay. So the next thing to do is to right click on the polygon and click on vertical. So the shape, to change the position of the shape. So duplicate this, then click on vertical again, then move this like this. Then duplicate this again and move it like this. You can see that the spacing between them is perfect. That's how it should be. Then click on vertical again. This is okay. You can drag this one over here, drag it here, something like this. Duplicate this again, and so this is it. This is our shape. Then right click on it and select frame selection. So we are done with the shapes. Let's see. Okay, this is okay. Move this one down a little bit. Move it down. Okay, so it is perfect like this. So move your image on top of the shape. Make your image bigger. Hold down the shift key and drag the image up a little bit. Okay, so now select the frame and select your image and click on mask, the mask icon over here, or you right click on it and click on use as mask. So make sure your image is on top of the frame, not inside it. If you check my design tree over here, you see that the image is inside it. So if we mask it, it won't give us the result we're looking for. So let me show you. If we mask it like this, this is what you get, because the image is inside the frame. So let's Ctrl Z and do it correctly. So move your image on top of the frame. Now the image is on top of the frame. Select the both of them and click on mask. So this is the result. You can then adjust your image whichever way you want it to look, whichever way you want it to be or look in your design. You can adjust it. I think this is okay. This is okay for me. You can move it inside your frame like this. Let's drag this out. You can copy it then paste to replace. So if you want this, if you still want this to be, you want these two frames to be on top of this other image here, you can do that. So this is how easy it is to mask images in Figma. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do go to do so. Thank you for the support. Thank you for always liking my videos, and don't forget to like this one just like you've been doing. Thank you so much. You have a lovely week ahead. Bye.